Hello everyone, I am Yuva Menon, studying in CSC department second year, GM University. I built a music player website as a part of my full stack development project in the technical competency course. In this video, I will walk you through a sleep and full functionally music player app I developed using React. It's inspiring by Spotify and Apple Music. Features smooth UI and powerful control and response designs. Let's jump in. I have built a website. Let us see our code. The Music Player app is a front-end project that simulates a computer audio streaming experience. It features song browsing, play, pause, control, dynamic playlist, program tracking, and responsive design. I use the React hook to customize the computer tailwind and browser app like audio to bring in it. Text act, React with white, tailwind CSS for styling, and React Hook used for the states and user effects, and customize the audio player logic and CSS transition for animation. Here is a home page that has a clean layout, display future songs and the playlist. And the playlist including all the essential play, pause, previews, volumes, and seek bar with progress. Users can switch by clicking a song playlist by UPI update installer. The UI can be used in the mobile applications also. And I added the subtitles animation for effective buttons clicks and the visual feedback. Audio playlist is handling using the JavaScript and audio API with React State, managing the current track playback and timing. Inspired by music platform like Spotify, I use dark theme, glowing dance albums at highlights, and clean typography to create a visual ride experience. Now let me explain the overview of the code. The app.css file is used for the components, and app.js file main the main entry component in the app, and this is usually imports from the app.css file and renders the UI marked with the amp modifier. App.jsv App.jsv is a variant of the app of app.js, possibly replacing or coexisting with it. Marked u app.text app.test.js contains until the test for the app component, typically used with the Jest and React testing libraries. Data.js, a JavaScript file containing the static or mock data used by the component or pages. Index.css, globally styled for the entire app, often import into the index.js. Index.js, the main entry point of the app with React document, renders the app component into a root doc element. Here is the simple logo of the React app. Report report web videos.js, optionally performing the measuring tools typically from create app templates. Set test.js, used to configure or set up the testing environment before each test runs, typically with just the git goal specifies the files and directives that git should ignore. Package.log.json, automatically generated at log depending version. ensures the reproducibility built. Package.jsm defines the project metadata, dependency scripts, and configuration. Readme.md, a markdown file to project document instruction and general information. One challenge was syncing UI with the actual audio elements, especially tracking programs and uploading UI reactively. I used refer and event listeners for that in the future. I plan to add the login functionality using playlist and backend audio streaming. Thanks for watching the demo video of my music player app. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe for more front-end projects and development tutorials. Feel free to leave your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video.